here we go. For day 7 on the Street Glide. We just did a bit of reading, didn't we? That was
You did, yes.
That was eye-opening. Probably should say good morning, actually.
Morning!
So we are heading into Naples, because we're on the outskirts at the moment, and we're going to go and get some breakfast at a place I picked because Emily keeps picking like super healthy places that have zero option for me.
For you?
Yes.
I've had lots of choice and I've had some delicious food.
Yep, that's over now. Squashing that.
Last night wasn't too bad. That met both of our needs.
It did.
And I picked that.
Nice. That was nice.
That was the Yard House?
Yeah, they're good beer as well. But yeah, we're going over to the coastal side of Naples and then have some breakfast, and we're going to head north to Tampa, where our dear friend has already been messaging saying he's very excited for today, and then he's messaged again this morning to say he wants an ETA. I think we're going to have a very interesting couple of days.
Which we can't give him yet because we're not that organised.
No, we're not. So many houses still boarded up.
There is, but there's a lot of development happening.
Yeah. They've cleaned up pretty quick, because this is basically where the hurricane tore through, isn't it? This is the path.
Yeah, this is slightly south of Sarasota. But so yeah, I think it come here, Sarasota, and slightly to Tampa was the bandwidth. That's what it looked like on the news for us anyway. But yeah, you just did some reading about the Street Glide.
I did. So it's a 117 cubic inch, which is about 1.9 litres, maybe a bit more, in a motorcycle, which just seems ridiculous, especially for reference for England. About 105 horsepower, which doesn't seem a lot to pull out of that kind of size of an engine, but then the bike itself weighs 367 kilos, which is virtually twice the Triumph.
Plus then the weight of 2 people.
Yeah.
And all your luggage.
So it's well over 800 pounds as a motorcycle, whereas the Triumph, I think, is that we're normally used to riding around on, is just shy of 500 pounds. So it kind of explains why it's taken a bit of getting used to. However, once you're up and going, you're on these sorts of roads, you do feel well planted, don't you? Like it's solid.
Yeah, and it's not, I don't know, it's not felt cumbersome.
No.
For me anyway.
So it's more the rolling to stops for me, but that's just...
Yeah, and I know sometimes I have struggled to get a little on and off, but that's no more than how I struggle with the Scrambler when that's full of panniers and the top box. I think it's just because the gap gets narrower.
Yeah, absolutely. But as a bike to do what we've done so far, I mean, we've covered a fair few miles.
I'm so down with all the bikers in America now. I've got the fingers on point.
Just having at it. But no, it's been a good bike, I think.
It really has. For what we've used it for fit for purpose. Like, we've got so much space. I like that. I think we mentioned this in another video, but yesterday, not only did we fit our helmets in the top box, but we did manage to squash our jackets in there as well, which meant we could walk around just with nothing to carry other than your wallet and your purse and your bag that you might want to take with you.
I always take my purse and my bag with me. I always take it, don't I?
You always do. Always manage to migrate over to mine, and then I carry your stuff.
Yep.
But to be fair, as a passenger, one thing I do quite like, all through this journey, I've been able to peep over your shoulder. I can see how quick you're going, what gear you're in. I can see what time it is, and like all of the sat-nav information, whereas on our bikes, because you have your phone and our dials are just a lot smaller through preference, I often don't have a clue at the time. I've been able to read, and because I can see, because we don't know where we are and I can see the sat nav, I can brace a little bit more when I know you're going to make a turn.
Yeah. I think I haven't even calculated the fuel consumption, to be fair. The claim figure is about 45 to the gallon, somewhere there. And I think given the price of fuel in America, it's just not, it hasn't even entered my head, because our travel down from Miami, from Daytona to Miami cost us $12. Getting across to here was 16 or 20,
Yeah.
something like that.
Closer to 20, because fuel was more expensive in Miami,
But it really, like,
but not a lot more.
Yeah, it's been negligible enough that we can just, yeah.
Yeah, I think as a pillion, the transition through the gears seems really smooth. Like, I don't get like jolted backwards and forwards as you're transitioning. The I think it's the BSA that does that of ours. That when you change gear, I get a bit of a lunge. I don't know what the word is, but a little jolt backwards and forwards. But this one just feels, I don't know, seamless.
Yeah, I think it's the weight of it carrying forward. You get the momentum in the drivetrain, whereas on our bike, because they're a lot lighter, the second you back off, it takes up that the lash, so you get instant decel basically. You probably get it on lower gears on this.
Oh, okay. So it's the weight of the bike that makes the difference.
I think so. Are you ready for breakfast?
I'm always ready. Breakfast food is one of my favourites.
What's going on here? Because I don't have a cup.
This one's got 2 of the vanilla delight pod things in, and this one's got 2 of the hazelnut, because I need to work out which coffee I prefer.
Because you don't like coffee.
I want the hazelnut one.
Through traffic.
A lot of traffic. And then we got here and Weems was like, we knew you were going to get stuck. Why didn't you tell us?
Yeah, why didn't you tell us, Jared?
It's an adventure. And you chose the wrong choice for your adventure. At least the wrong time of day of riding in Florida. So
It's all part of the experience.
it's all part of the experience. And whether or not that's good for you doesn't matter. But I'll tell you what. Starting up old Triumph motorcycles is always good for me.
That's a good adventure.
Alright, here we go. Now that we have gas. Oh, come on. Welcome back to The Works, right here on YouTube. Joe, where are we going?
We're going to your favourite place.
Going to
Bike
my favorite place is my garage. So
okay.
we're going to bike night.
Yep.
And this is the weirdest bike I've ever seen to go to a bike night. Why are we not on a motorcycle, Joe?
Emily wanted aircon.
Oh.
Oh, you sold me out.
She's there, which is true.
Yeah, I have enjoyed the aircon today.
We've had a lot of bike.
A lot of cool motorcycling has happened while the Works have been in America.
Yep.
So if you guys haven't watched those videos, make sure you go back, check them out in Daytona, check them out getting rained on their way to Miami.
Yep.
All of the cool fun stuff that they did all across the state of Florida. And we're going to the Orange County Choppers Road House Grill to check out all of the motorcycles from the TV show.
Yep.
To eat some good food. And
See a lot of Harley Davidsons.
Yeah.
Gets you so excited.
My Harley shirt on, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Harley Davidson bike night.
Yeah, first Barracuda at Orange County Road House.
Yeah.
Jared's getting a table.
Yeah.
Yeah, good food. Looking around, we're going to check out some bikes.
Yeah, it should be good. Yeah, it already sounds like there's a lot happening outside.
Yeah.
So this is very different to our bike night.
Yeah. You want some stickers?
Yeah, got stickers.
Let's go see some people.
Yeah.
Joe said be prepared to be disappointed because it's not that big. Compared to a UK bike night, it is huge. There are so many bikes here. It's